Today, we're venturing into the heart of preparedness, focusing on those crucial supplies that transform from ordinary to invaluable when disaster strikes. We're talking about those items that could be worth their weight in gold someday. Now, this isn't about fancy gadgets or expensive gear. We're talking about simple, often overlooked items that you can start stockpiling right now. And the best part? Many of them can be found at your local dollar store. That's why we're diving deep into the world of off-grid essentials, those items that function without needing to be plugged in. So, if you find value in today's video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Ammunition. It's not just for hunting or target practice, it's a lifeline in a crisis. Think about it. In a societal breakdown, law and order often crumble. You need to be prepared to protect yourself and your loved ones. Stocking up on ammunition now is a smart move. Focus on the types of ammo your firearms use, but consider diversifying with common calibers that you could barter with in an emergency. Ammunition is a responsibility. Store it safely and securely, away from prying hands and potential hazards. A good quality gun safe is worth its weight in gold. It could be the difference between defending what's yours and becoming vulnerable. Next up is a true multitasker found in almost every kitchen: baking soda. This pantry staple is a powerhouse in a survival situation. First off, baking soda is a cleaning champ. Mix it with a bit of water, and you've got a paste that can tackle grime on dishes, scrub down surfaces, and even unclog drains. But baking soda's talents don't stop there. It can extinguish small fires in a pinch, soothe heartburn and indigestion, and even act as a natural deodorant. The best part? Baking soda is incredibly affordable and readily available. Stock up now and stash it with your other essential supplies. We live in a world of microscopic enemies, and in a survival situation, maintaining hygiene is paramount. That's where bleach comes in, a potent weapon against bacteria, viruses, and other nasty microbes. Bleach is your first line of defense for disinfecting surfaces, especially in areas where food is prepared or where sanitation is critical. A small amount of bleach diluted in water creates a powerful solution that can neutralize harmful pathogens. It can be used to purify water, making it safe for drinking in desperate situations. Bleach is a powerful chemical and should be handled with caution. Always dilute it properly, store it in a cool, dark place, and keep it out of reach of children and animals. Dryer lint, the unexpected fire starter. You know that fluffy stuff you usually toss in the trash after doing laundry? Dryer lint transforms from trash to treasure. That's because dryer lint is incredibly flammable, making it an ideal fire starter. Starting a fire is crucial for warmth, cooking, and even signaling for help. After every few loads of laundry, collect the lint and store it in a waterproof container. An empty coffee can or a sealed plastic bag works great. Keep it in a cool, dry place away from any potential fire hazards. It's amazing how something so ordinary can become so valuable in a survival situation. Resourcefulness is key when it comes to staying alive, and dryer lint is a perfect example of turning trash into a valuable asset. Duct tape. The fix-it-all wonder, duct tape, the ultimate fix-it-all solution. This is one item you can never have too much of. It's incredibly versatile and has 1,000,001 uses in a survival situation. Need to patch a hole in your shelter? Duct tape. Want to create a makeshift bandage for a sprain? Duct tape. Have to seal a window against the elements? Duct tape. When disaster strikes, you'll be reaching for that roll of duct tape more times than you can count. Flint and steel. Your ancient fire-starting ally. It's easy to forget the importance of mastering primitive skills, but when the grid goes down, knowing how to make fire without relying on lighters or matches becomes paramount. That's where flint and steel come in, your reliable, reusable, and weatherproof fire-starting companions. Unlike lighters that can run out of fuel or get wet, a good flint and steel set will last for hundreds, even thousands of strikes. Practice striking the flint to create sparks, aiming for a tinder nest of dry grass, leaves, or char cloth. Keep your flint and steel set in a dry, accessible location. Hydrogen peroxide, the wound warrior. Even a small cut can quickly escalate into a serious problem. Infection is a constant threat, especially when access to medical care is limited. That's why hydrogen peroxide is a must-have in your first aid kit. This powerful antiseptic is your first line of defense against infection. It bubbles away debris, cleanses wounds, and helps prevent the spread of harmful bacteria. Stock up on hydrogen peroxide now, and make sure you have both small, travel-sized bottles for your first aid kit and larger bottles for your home stockpile. Liquor. Liquor can be a lifesaver in a survival situation, not just for drinking but for its versatility as a disinfectant, fire starter, and even a barter good. Alcohol kills bacteria and viruses, making it effective for cleaning wounds, sterilizing surfaces, and even purifying water in a pinch. High-proof alcohol is flammable, making it an effective fire starter, especially in damp conditions. Soak a cloth in liquor, and it'll ignite easily, giving you a head start on building a fire. Liquor becomes a valuable commodity. It can be used for bartering, trading for other essential supplies, or even as a form of currency. Painkillers. Managing pain in a crisis. Pain is an inevitable part of life, and in a survival situation, it can be debilitating. Stocking up on over-the-counter painkillers like ibuprofen, acetaminophen, and naproxen is essential. These medications can help reduce fever, alleviate pain, and reduce inflammation, allowing you to focus on the tasks at hand. However, remember that medication should always be used responsibly and according to the recommended dosage. Store your painkillers in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and moisture. Check the expiration dates regularly and rotate your stock to ensure you always have a fresh supply on hand. Salt. It's a basic mineral, found on every dinner table. Yet its importance in a survival scenario cannot be overstated. Beyond enhancing the flavor of food, salt is a powerful preserver, a crucial electrolyte, and a surprisingly versatile tool. For centuries, salt has been used to cure meat, fish, and vegetables, extending their shelf life without refrigeration. In a grid-down situation where access to fresh food is limited, knowing how to preserve what you have is crucial. It's essential for maintaining proper hydration and electrolyte balance, crucial for regulating bodily functions. A pinch of salt in your water can help prevent dehydration, especially in hot climates or during strenuous activities. Sprinkling salt on damp wood can help draw out moisture, making it easier to ignite. In a pinch, every little bit helps. You know those black plastic bags we usually relegate to garbage duty? Well, they transform into incredibly useful multi-purpose tools. Need a makeshift poncho to stay dry in a downpour? Cut a hole for your head and two for your arms and voila! Instant rain protection. Need to collect rainwater or create a solar still to obtain drinking water? A trash bag is your answer. Trash bags can be used as ground cover to protect against moisture and cold, as makeshift backpacks or storage sacks, and even as signaling devices if you need to attract attention. Keep a roll of heavy-duty trash bags in your bug-out bag, your car, and your home supplies. They take up minimal space and can be a lifesaver in a pinch. Vinegar, that humble kitchen staple, often relegated to salad dressings and pickling, takes on a whole new level of importance in a survival scenario. Its acidic nature makes it a powerful cleaning agent, a natural preservative, and even a soothing remedy for various ailments. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant, effective against a wide range of bacteria and mold. Use it to sanitize surfaces, clean dishes, and even freshen up your living space. Its acidic properties make it an excellent natural preservative, perfect for pickling vegetables, extending the shelf life of food, and preventing spoilage. In a world without refrigeration, pickling becomes a vital skill for preserving your harvest. Vinegar can also provide relief from sunburn, insect bites, and even sore throats. We're nearing the end of today's video, but the conversation doesn't have to stop here. Got any questions about the supplies we discussed, or perhaps you have some unique uses for them? Drop them in the comment section below. Your insights are always valuable. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found our content helpful and subscribe to our channel for more survival and off-grid living tips. Stay safe and stay prepared.